Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go microphone. Now I'm currently using a Nikon A900 to film this. It doesn't have an import for mic jack, so I'll probably be using this mostly for my GoPro to help improve the audio on it. Sometimes the audio is kind of on there, and I don't like wires, so I'm going to try going wireless. So let's get into it. Let's open up this box. Okay, comes in a nice box. Tells you the features of it. Ultra compact wireless, built-in microphone, digital transmission, bunch of things written in other languages. This is what it comes with. Receiver and transmitter, 2 dead cats, 2 USB-Cs, an SC cable, and a pouch to carry it in. So let's get this open. Okay, we got our quick start guide telling you how to use the 2 different ones. There's the rest of the quick start guide, how to turn it on. And there are the 2 wireless Go's. You have the microphone, and then this is the receiver. What else we got in here? 2 USB-C cords, a TRS cord, pouch to carry it in. That's a pretty nice pouch. Regulatory and safety instructions, and no one cares about that. And then 2 microphone dead cats to cut down on the wind noise. What is the best thing in the world to do? Remove these little screens. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. Let's get the other one. Yeah. Okay, let's get these charged up and let's see how they work. Okay, I got both units charged. So let's see how difficult these are to use. So I've got this little adapter you need to hook up to the GoPro. And I found this little case that it slides into. And then this just kind of slides across the top of the GoPro like this to keep it in place. But first, you gotta get this door off. Okay. Pull down on the bar, and then this will pop off, just like that. Don't lose that. Put it back in its cage. And plug that in right here, like that. Take the cord, plug it in, and then plug it into the GoPro. Okay, it says to turn on your wireless by holding down on this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Got some blue lights here. Now let's turn on this one. 1, 2, 3. And it looks like it's working. It is picking up my voice. Alright, so let's turn on the GoPro and see what kind of volume we get out of this. Now, one thing bad about this particular adapter is that it covers up the play button, so you gotta push. And there we go. Looks like we are recording using this. And it's picking up pretty nicely, even this far away from my mouth. Come here. Okay, so let's check the distance that this does. Since I got to take Marco out in the backyard, let's go. Okay, door's open. Now door's closed. Hope you can still hear me. Some noise going on back here for some reason. I don't know why. Hey, puppy. There you go. So now I'm probably about 15 feet away from the GoPro outside. I'm going to go a little bit farther down the hill. I'm going to walk backwards because I hear that if I'm not facing, I lose the signal. So that's probably about 30 feet. You hear the noise? I think they're power washing. So I definitely would say this is about 50 feet. And now I'm at my back fence, which you know you can't see me on the GoPro, but I'm curious to see if this will still pick up. And yeah, they're doing some power washing. So hopefully you can still hear me. It's a little breezy now. Let's see how well it does without the muff on, blocking out the wind noise. And I'm gonna walk back up to the house, because Marco needs to go back inside. It's a noisy day today. Should be interesting on how much background noise it picks up. How you doing, puppy? You sniffing? Are you sniffing? Okay, I'm now on my patio. You might be able to see me from here. I'm gonna wave. See me? Can you hear the dogs barking in the background? I'm walking to the door, the dog in my hand. You should be able to see me now. Hello. Hi, Marco. Say hi to everybody. Good boy. There you go. So what'd you think? Could you hear me? Hope so. So let's test and see if I can put my Rode shotgun mic to it also. So I have this little adapter. Just slide in right there. Can tighten it down. Then I'm going to put the wireless right there, and then slide in the shotgun mic right here. Plug that in, and then plug that in there. Am I still getting volume? I sure am. So I have the GoPro plugged into the microphone adapter, and then I have a cord that splits left and right channel. I have the wireless attached to one channel and the shotgun mic attached to another. So let's see if it picks up both of those and makes it usable footage. So here we go. I'm going to go outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a video of mine. which you should be able to hear. And then I'm going to go outside, see whether or not you still hear me. Okay, now I am outside, and hopefully you're picking up both of these. I'm not sure if it's going to work because one's powered and one's not. So we'll try it. Can you hear me? Is it working? I'll find out in post.
This is what we're here for. The tallest.
So what did you think of the footage? Did you like the sound better? Hope so. Hope it sounded a little bit better than the normal GoPro microphone. Now, some people might ask, hey Chris, why are you doing a review on the Rode Wireless Go? It's been out for over a year. Well, it has. And most of the reviews are over a year old. But that'd be interesting to do a new one. And plus, I've never had it before. So these are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Even like, hit that thumbs up button. And now for something completely different. Bye. And then I'm going to go outside, see whether or not you still hear me.
We're here for one reason only, that's to get them as platinum. That's not true.
That's not true. We're here to ride a roller coaster.
Okay, now I am outside,
Check out the Texas.
and hopefully you're picking up both of these.
So come on.
I'm not sure if it's going to work because one's powered and one's not. So we'll try it.